So after you get the junction board off right there, you can then see all the sticks, the terminals for all the sticks right here. And you can see right here, this guy's kind of going up and down. This one's kind of going left and right. Again, right there, up and down just by like the flat surface right there. And then this one, you've got the flat surface on top. So you can tell which one's positive and negative by checking that on your voltmeter. I've got it set to 20 direct current volts right there because I know that these guys aren't going to exceed that. So it's the closest, highest number above the voltage I'm looking for right there. And this is at 14.3. That's a good, pretty average middle level voltage. 13, that's not terrible, right? Let's see. This one's not showing anything, and see, that's the thing. These sticks aren't like that, right? This pairs right here like this. It's on the side. And whoa, this is at 16. Nice. Okay. Well, anyway, you can kind of see. You'll have to look around in there. This one, check that out. It's negative. That means I have my red on the negative and my black on the positive on accident here, and it should be reversed because now the negative is showing I have reverse polarity on my two right here, my two testers. So I should switch them around to get, and it'll just tell me the positive number right there. And you have to know this, but when charging it, you cannot charge it incorrectly, right? You can't charge on reverse polarity. You're gonna create a fire, have a damage, have dangers in general. These guys have warnings for, like, they can release alkaline acids. You have to be extremely cautious when doing anything with these guys. Of course, you know, you can't handle it too haphazardly. You can't be too careless when doing anything with them, you know. So to check the voltage, you just, well, this is the second gen, right? So you have two places to check right here. And that's just a little example for you right there. Cheers, enjoy, best wishes.